Let's unbox and set up these beautiful cranes. I have two in this package. They're large lifelike sizes. I love the beautiful details on the feathers, and they're made from metal. And you can see all the nice details there. So this one came with the wings separated, and it's easy to assemble, and I'll show you how to do that. These are the legs, and it's all metal, and this is the body. It's got some weight to it. These birds are very attractive. I'll go ahead and show you how to assemble the legs. Just turn the toes forward in the same direction as the beak and insert it right into the slot. And for the wings, just put them together like so. And this is the left side and this is the right side. So you're going to put the left side into the left side of your bird. Just turn the bird away from you, just like this, and then push the right side down into the slot. And it's very easy, just like so. And we have our bird together. And the package also included 4 anchors, and this helps to keep our bird sturdy in the ground. And here's our bird in the yard, looking very nice. I love these birds. They're lifelike and they're beautiful, and they really make a statement in the yard.